All right, I'm gonna show you how to, hopefully, how to clean your jet really quick.
For AG.
Pop this cover off. Sit up on top. Hopefully you can see these two bolts here. I'm going to use a 7/16 maybe. 3/8. Nope, 10 millimeter, that's what it is. There's a tube behind here that you're going to have to pull off. And just set these right here. There we go, it came off. Don't forget to watch the way your gasket goes on. There's a hole in the gasket. Hopefully you can see that. Let's see. Yeah. And that's going to line up with that journal right there. Just be aware of that. I'm gonna sit all that right here on this clean, dirty floor. And this piece is kind of flexible. Notice the orientation of that. This is going to be, sorry, notice the orientation of this. This is going to be up, and that inset is going to go toward the engine. And that actually, that piece right there is actually going to cover what looks like a valve stem right here. Maybe actually what it is. Now I'm going to use these two screws here in just a minute. There's a clip on the fuel line right there. And this is gravity fed, so I'm going to use a screw. Put that on there, and I'm going to put that clip back on that, and that way it won't leak all over the place. And then here, there. So this thing is actually, it's going to sit like that, just for orientation. All right. This throttle screw right here, I'm gonna take that out. Make sure you can see that. Yeah, I'm sure you can. All right. I'm gonna take this throttle screw out here. And then that piece right there leads to a jet. Now, I'm gonna clean that with some brake clean. Just because I don't want to get anything down in there. Now nothing's going to actually come out. The jet, that just leads to the jet. Okay, nothing's going to come out of that. But there we go, look at that. All right, we just need one of these. I'm gonna go down to that little journal. I'm gonna just poke through there and clean that. Make sure that jet is clean. It's probably got some varnish in there, especially if you're using gas with ethanol. You let it sit for a little bit. It's got the tendency to leave stuff in there. I'm not gonna be able to get to that particular jet. So you may want to try compressed air. That's the case if you have an air compressor. Now, all right, here's another thing we can look at on the bottom of the fuel bowl. Is a screw. And there's a jet right down in there. You gotta be careful. This one takes a flathead. You gotta be careful. Sometimes they don't want to come out easy. I think this one's okay. And when you go to put it back in, you don't need to wrench down on it. Come on, you're so close.